Hello to my subscribers and viewers, and those who are new here. I am Shrishi Datta. Welcome to my channel once again. So today I am going to share some tips and tricks that is going to help you in your makeup. So before starting with the video, I want to say you that eyebrows plays a very important role in your makeup. If you skip your eyebrows at that time also, your look will not look complete and it will not enhance your look. Whenever you will do makeup, you need to do your eyebrows also to give beautiful looks, to complete your looks. So today I am going to tell you, if you do not have an eyebrow pencil also, but if you have a mascara, how you can use your mascara in your eyebrows. So I am going to take this spoolie and I will brush my eyebrows. And now I am going to take eyeshadow palette. Here I am taking Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and here I am going to take the dark brown shade. You can use any eyeshadow palette you have and choose the dark brown shade to give a borderline to your eyebrows. So I am taking this a very little. And now I am going to do a borderline on my eyebrows. Now I am going to take Maybelline Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara, and I am going to use this mascara in the center of my eyebrows. I am going to take out the excess from this mascara, and then I am going to use this mascara in the center of my eyebrows. And then I will use in the beginning of in the starting point of my eyebrows. In the same way, I will also use in the center of my eyebrows, on the other side of my eyebrows. And my eyebrows are done. So can you tell me that I have used mascara on my eyebrows instead of eyebrow pencil? You can use these tips and tricks in your makeup also whenever you are in a hurry, or whenever you are going outside in a travel and you have forget to take your eyebrow pencil. You can use this mascara on your eyebrows also. It will volumize your eyebrows and it will give you same look the eyebrow pencil give you. So definitely use these tips and tricks and let me know that how it is working for you. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you love this video, hit the like button, and please mention in the comment section that if you want to see more tips and tricks video in my channels. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. You will get notification all of my latest video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.